Okay, thank you. All right, let's start. So, guys, thank you for being here today. Great for having me here today, and thank you all of you who are here with me today. The topic today is trading books and coffee. Okay, today it's going to be a different webinar. I want to share with you which books have a strong impact in my trading career. I have a couple of books here. There are other books that I don't have here, but we will be speaking about them. It's summer. Okay, many of you are going to go to the beach or to mountain or whatever holidays. So you are going to have a lot of time to read good books. And I think knowledge is the best capital you can have. Okay. So I'm going to start asking you all, guys, which or what book is the book that have a strong impact in you in regards on in trading. And I hope you guys have your coffee also here. I have mine. So yes, regular coffee. Okay, one for you, Sandy. All right. Espresso, somebody? Biscuits? Yeah. Oh, I forget the biscuits. Okay, trading in the zone, pan on fire. Okay, guys, which book you love the most? It can be a trading book or not really a trading book, but that have made you a better trader. I'm going to show you. We are going to be talking about all these books today that I have here. Market Wizards. Okay, great. What else? Maybe you didn't read too much books, guys. Okay, I'm gonna start with the books that for me, and then maybe we can look at some charts, guys. If you were thinking about, oh, Carlos is going to give our levels today, but high probability trading, yeah, that's good. Okay, so I'm gonna start, okay, with these ones, with my library of books. Okay, the first one that I have here is Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Okay, it's a classic. I have it in Spanish. It's a quite hard book to find in Spanish. I have it on English also at home. I have the first one, The Disciplined Trader. Fantastic book. For me, this is one of the best books you can read about trading. I don't read this book anymore because I have been reading it like, I have it all, studying it a bit, a little bit. So for me, this book is, I don't know, very interesting book. This guy is explaining us, not in a magical way, he's explaining us how our beliefs modify our five senses, how we see, how we perceive things. So we see things that we believe, that confirm our beliefs. All right? I don't know if you understand what I mean, but it's like, it's not you need to believe, it's not you need to see to believe. It's you need to believe to see, right? So if you have fear of losing money, guess what? You are going to lose money because you are focusing on that. If you don't, it's like, it's hard for me to explain. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Sandy, sorry, English is not my first language. Seeing is believing. Believing is seeing. This is the contrary, what Mark explains. So, a mental state of trading, mindset is because think about it. The markets are always giving pain or pleasure, right? some people is addicted to pleasure. Some people is addicted to pain. In theory, everybody goes to the markets. No, I want to make money. I want pleasure. I want to be ooh. Sorry. Okay, thank you, Sandy. Thank you very much. Nowadays, I'm not speaking too much English, so I am a bit rusty. Anyway, thank you. But this is what the market is for me right now. It's like, you know, these marketing TV channels that they are selling to you stuff that is normally is city stuff, selling, you need this for your home, for the 24 hours, selling you things 24 hours. Call me now. And now if you call for 19.99, you will get this and you will that and you will that. That is like the market. The market is always advertising to you. Hey, I'm doing a breakout. Go short. I'm doing a breakout like that, like here, right? Hey, buddy, this is a breakout. You are going to miss this short. Short breakout, money, woohoo, go short. You know? So what happens is that when you go short there and it reverse, it generates pain because you are losing money, right? And in this society, guess what? Money is like the most success, right? Nobody is like the main, right? So no money, no success, pain, emotional pain. And guess what? The human beings, as is biology, is nature, we avoid pain and we seek pleasure. So for me, after some years, I realized that the market is it's always advertising and it's always generating pain or pleasure. And some people is addict to pain. It's masochist. Don't be a masochist. If you are losing right now, I don't know how much of you guys are right now losing in a consistent manner. Stop doing it. Stop. Say, hey, I'm going to stop losing. I'm going to stop. Don't get that habit of losing because you get in the bowling of losing. One day it's a winner, but always losing. Okay, say to yourself, I'm going to stop losing. No more pain. Okay? That doesn't mean that you are going to have the power of the outcome of every trade. No. But you have the power of your actions. You have the power over how you do your process of trading. I'm going to wake up earlier. I'm going to study more. I'm going to do my homework, my levels, my visualization, my psychology things, whatever. Okay? So Trading in the Zone, very good book, very good. It has the 5 fundamental laws of trading, like anything can happen at any given moment. You don't need to know what is going to happen next to make money. An edge is nothing more than a higher probability of something to happen in or another. Every moment in the market is unique. And I think I'm missing one. What is the other one? I pay myself as the market make money available to me or something like that. So really good book, guys. Trading in the Zone. Really. Random distribution. Exactly. Sorry, Joe. A random distribution of winners and losses. So you need not to think and say, that's right. No, you need to, every atom and cell of your mind and body needs to be in line with those fundamental laws. Okay? So very good book. And the first one, The Disciplined Trader, the last chapter, it's very good because it also explains how for a breakout to have, you need to buy higher. It's like they are doing the contrary. They are doing the contrary that is usually told in the books. Okay, very good book. Trading in the Zone. 5 star. 5 stars. All right. If you didn't read it, go and read it. Okay, next book. This is a very good one also. I started with psychology, so I'm going to continue with psychology. This one is in Spanish also, okay? But you're going to know which one is this guy. This is what is called Psychology of Trading by Brett N. Estenberger. Okay, this guy has very good books. This guy is a psychologist. he has another one. It's called Be Your Own Trading Codes by Brett Stenbarger. Be Your Own Trading Codes. These books are amazing. The thing is, these books are not for novice. It's more for advanced level, because it's not easy to. You need a little bit of trading hours or a little bit of barrels under your belt to really grasp everything, because this guy is a real psychologist. Yeah, exactly. You need some experience to, okay, that happened to me, or I felt like that, or this happened to me, or this didn't happen to me, but I can understand the feeling, or because what I like about these books, the books of this guy, is that he uh, writes about real life examples that happened to him, clients he has in the past, that he explained. I have one client that was, I don't know, drug addict and also a trader and whatever, and he has this and this and these addictions. So this is what I did to, So it's very good book. This guy, it's famous because he used what is called biofeedback machines. Do you see the chart also, right? Do you see the screen, right? Okay. I'm going to talk a little bit about this guy, because it's very interesting also what this guy is doing. He's famous because of this. It's a little bit strange, but he used biofeedback devices. I think the thing is biofeedback. There is a lot on biofeedback. This biofeedback thing has a lot of uses, but the main thing behind the theory behind that is this, and I love the theory. All right, I love it. It's like that. He explains that, and it's not his theory, right? But I agree with this. The mind have different brain waves. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta brainwaves, like when you are sleeping, when you are meditating, when you are studying, when you are driving, and all of that. So what happens is that under stress, your brainwaves goes like this. It's like normally awake waves is like that, right? More or less harmonious. More or less harmonious. And then when you are suddenly, you put on a trade, and the trade is going to touch your stop loss. It's going down, you are long. And then what happens with your brain waves is that suddenly start to be more erratic, it's not good anymore. It's like more, a little bit change. Yeah, absolutely. That's for sure. But what happens is that when those brainwave change, when there is a change on your mind, there is a couple of things that happens. First of all, your blood pressure and your blood in general, instead of being here on the frontal area, on the neocortex, the logical area, they go where? They go to the arms, they go to your legs. Why? Because it's what they call the fight or flight, right? Because you are having fear for whatever reason, because you are associating losing money with pain, emotional pain, disgraced, I am a loser, whatever. Your mind, your subconscious mind have a very fast, it's like this, pam, suddenly you feel not good. And then the blood goes to your arms, to your legs. So you cannot think logically anymore. What happens is that this guy put some devices on his head, very expensive ones. This is like expensive things because they are used for medical things, also not for trading. They put this thing, he put his, let's think about it. Imagine like this, he put a device here, and when he's having a chart of his mind. And when the mind is suddenly, he see that the brain waves are not good, he realized, hey, I'm not being rational. I don't want to take any decision now. I'm going to take a deep breath. whatever, we go for a walk, stop trading, don't do anything, you know. And he uses these things. Very interesting. But it's a very interesting thing. But the reality is that you don't need those devices to know that. There is a couple of, you don't need the biofeedback devices. I'm going to give you some things that I use when you're here. All right. If your heart goes at the rate is boom, 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 it means that you are nervous or something. Sweet or sweetie, I don't know, sorry, like that, right? Sweetie, you are suddenly, no, that's true, that's true. You are, somebody is like you are, yeah, absolutely, or close the trade, in my opinion. Close the trade directly. Affront your fear, you know. What else? You are, for example, at home, and there is your brother or your mother or your sister. Hey, let's go to lunch. Hey, shut up! Don't say anything. Close the door. For example, it's crazy like that. That's somebody you overreacting. These are signs of you are not being in the zone. You are not being rational. You are not being okay, sweetie, overreacting. Loss of focus. I mean, loss of time. You are loss of focus. Also, you can only look at the tick. You are also only looking like every tick. You are looking at the tick is 10:41 or 10:42 or 43. That means that you are not really at peace with what is happening. So these are a little bit of things that you are not on the zone. So very good books about Brett Estenbarger. I recommend you guys these books. So the next one, this is a good book also. I like it. The 3 Skills of Top Trading, okay, by Hank Pruden. It's not a bad book. Very good book. It's from Wiley Trading. If you guys, anybody want the list or the names or whatever, send me an email later and I will send all the list to links with Amazon or whatever. This book, what I like is that it has some mental management things. It's a lot like system management, like step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. And then you check which one of those steps are wrong. They also speak a little bit about Wyckoff things, point and figure. This is a point and figure thing chart. Very good for trends, for big trends. I don't know if somebody read this. This is also a classical thing, all right? The classical pattern of accumulation, distribution, and so on. This is from Wyckoff. It's not really from Hank. But it's a good book. It's a good book. I recommend it. Hank Pruden. All right? 3 Skills of Top Trading. Very good. Okay, now I'm putting more technical. I'm going to show you another one that I like a lot. You can use this also for stocks. It's a bit advanced. It's not an easy book to read. It's not easy. But if you put some time behind, it's a good book. It's called Trend Qualification and Trading by L.A. Little. Okay, L.A. Little. Trend Qualification and Trading. It's also from Wiley Trading also. And it's a good book. It's a good book. It's a lot of technical. It has a lot of technical things. He uses volume and price action. I like it. He uses also something similar to what we use when we define the key points. Remember, guys, the key levels. Let me put the chart 1 sec. No. He developed a model. Let me explain to you the model, if I can. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, Vista, yeah. he has like what is called the six high and low. No, what is the technical name? It's like six. No, it's not like that. It's like he took the six bars and point the high and low of name for that. But I'm a bit today. I'm holidays, you know. Anyway, I like this model because it's a model so that you can automatize to find like this kind of support and resistance here, like very visual, very the things that we always do. Remember on the sessions, like this model pinpoints very good this kind of swing reversal points, turning points, very good. And also he speaks about like this kind of, I don't know if this webcam is good on quality. Can you see those breakouts down, right, of supports and then retest and all of that? It's good. He uses volume also. He uses more for stocks. So if you are doing long-term trading, because the volume in Forex, you need to have a good source. If not, but you can use futures volume, right, for Forex. So for stocks, it's a very good book. I'm going to write them all on the paint now. Okay, next one. Maybe some of you, yeah, I'm going to do it. Okay, I'm going to do it, Carlos. Let's take the coffee. Okay, a little bit of coffee. Good. Okay, guys. The first one. This is easy. Okay, the second one, I think it was trading psychology. The other one that I recommend to you, it's Be Your Own Trading Coach by the same guy. Then I said the 3 skills of top trading, I think. Okay. I think that this is all right. You're welcome, Carlos. This is all right, but I have 2 more that I want you to show here. This is fun book. This is a fun book to read, and a little bit, strange, a little bit under the radar, a little bit that kind of books that you like. At least I like it. Okay. This is Order Flow Trading for Fun and Profit, right, by Diamond Goldsmith. How many of you guys know this book? Is slim? Is not? It's a good question. It's a good question. I'm writing it, Vista. I'm writing it right now. He asked if I'm writing a book. I will. I will write a book with all the things I got from all the books I read. And my view on trading also, because I have been trading 5.5 years now. I'm consistent now. I'm making money. I'm living out of trading, something that is really hard. But and the meditation I put behind the trading, I like to follow, go deep and deep and deeper and deeper until you find some answers. So this guy's Order Flow Trading for Fun and Profit, it's a good book. This guy, he was a guy who writes on forexfactory.com forum. He opened a post on a couple of posts on Forex Factory. Absolutely, Thea. You are saying a good point. Easier to read one book. And guys, I'm not saying because before I get into this book, at the beginning I have planned, but I forget like what is for me the characteristics that a good book must have. It must be easy to read, not too long, easy to understand, and that gives you something of value. Because if you think about it, right now, internet is overwhelming with trading courses, trading books, trading systems, trading things, right? But not too much of these people is making money actually out of trading. They're making money of selling stuff. So, you guys, you can write a trading book. Is going to be a masterpiece? I don't know, because if you do a copy paste, it's like everybody's doing Japanese candles, trend lines, support and resistance. I can write 10 books about that. That is not. I have bad books that I bought that I never. I'm not going to bring here to say you this is a bad book, but I have a couple of bad books that I didn't even finish. Important question. Will be in English, Spanish. I don't understand, Joe. Would be anyway. So this book, Order Flow Trading, is from this guy. It's not bad. It's for Forex only. It's for Forex only. It's not the edition. I don't know the edition who print this. I bought on his webpage on internet. And it's interesting because he speaks about order sizes, a little bit of microstructure of the. Okay, Joe, sorry. Okay. I will like to write in both, to be honest. When I started sharing my things, the coaching and all the thing, and I started to do it in English, to be honest. But now I'm more on the Spanish side, because in English there is so much information, so much books, so much teachers, so much coaches that I said I'm gonna do it on Spanish because I think the Spanish people need some quality. I wanna bring some quality. Anyway, I will write in Spanish and then in English. I will translate. So this is very interesting book because it speaks about exchange, how an over-the-counter market works, microstructure, and things that there are other books, but they are too hard to read for the average guy. Anyway, I'm gonna put the title here if somebody of you want to keep an eye. Good book. Good book. Absolutely, Vista. That's a good. I agree with that. I agree with that. He says important filter in choosing a trading book is the writer. Is the writer a real trader sharing his trading experience or just someone writing, publishing copy and paste version? I agree. That's a good thing. Okay, this one is one of my favorite trading books. This is one of my favorites. The Art of Reflection About the Money by André Costolani. Conversaciones en un café. Speak is like chit chat in a coffee. Chit chat in a coffee, right? The Art of Reflections About the Money by André Costolani. I think you can see his face. This guy is already dead. I hope he's in a good place. This guy's like reminds me a bit like this Jess Livermore. This is an old-fashioned guy, old style. This guy is not using technical analysis. He's not using MACD indicators, blah blah blah, all of that thing. He was trading on the pit. He was trading on the Paris bourse, on la Bolsa de Paris, in 1930s, 40s, 50s. He get rich and poor like 2-3 times. He lose it all and then make it all and make millions, lose millions. also, I mean, what I like about this guy, he lives wars, economical things, depressions, and a lot of cycles, economy cycles. He died when he was 90, 91, I think. He lived a lot of years, and it's interesting. I love mostly the one because when he speak about psychology and trading and all of that, it's good. But he's trying to do what everybody's doing right now, and those chapters are normal. But I like when he speaks about all the stories of his friends, his buddies, his what is money and morals. Um, how much money do you need to be a millionaire? For example, this is the title of the chapters. It's very interesting. It's very, very interesting. Let me guess. Maybe I can read to you something here. I like his thing of 2 plus 2 is 5 minus 1, right? He said that 2 plus 2. Why I don't have plus here? 2 plus 2 is equals 5 minus 1. What he means by that, I love this, is that yes, 2 plus 2 is 4, but it's first is 5, and then is 4. It's like, it's not, you expect something to happen, and it happened, but not the way you expected. It first do something that you don't expect. And it's very interesting thing also. Let me try to read something. It has the 10 commandments and 10 prohibitions. I'm gonna read some follow the secret information, for example, that is prohibit. Like, hey, I know this stock is gonna go up. Believing that the sellers, they know why they sell and the buyers why they buy. So believing that others know more than you, that is stupid. It's stupid to want to recover your losses. This is also stupid. It's stupid to focus on 10 years ago or 20 years ago prices. Well, I mean, these guys, it's all school guys. And also I like that he's like, enjoy your life, like enjoy the life, like relax, enjoy the life. And yeah, it's very interesting book. I'm gonna write it. I don't know if it's in English. I think it can be in English. Okay, it's this one, but maybe it's not in English, okay? This is the book, but you get the name of the guy, Andre Costolani. This guy has good books. I think it has some books on English. And now I'm gonna speak about, well, no, I'm gonna ask you something. Okay, I got some books here. Of course, I have more books on the office. I have more books on my home. I have more books that are on digital edition that I cannot have them physical here. But before I put some other titles that I think they are very good, I want you to ask you guys. Tell me which more books do you love? Or whatever. Tell me if you have read some of those. No, not too much. Okay, I'm gonna put the ones that. No. I mean, tell me books that are not here on the list that you love and do you want me to add to the list? It's on the list, Tico Tico. It's on the list. I love that name. Tico Tico is it's too much. It's too much. Tico Tico. Too much. Okay, okay, that's an author. I'm gonna do trading books to the left, and then I'm gonna do like not trading books, but good for trading. Adam Green's The Art and Science of Technical Analysis. Yeah, I think I know this book. Looks good. Gonna add it. What more? I didn't read this one, but by the title and the stars, and if you say Joe, I'm gonna believe you. Okay, I'm gonna put here on the right books that I think they are very good to read, but they are not from trading, okay? I like that, Joe. That's why I added, because I think that is very important. I like the book that is called Flow. Flow. Let me check the full title, because also the guy who wrote it is very strange. Flow. This one. Flow, The Psychology of Optimal Experience from Mihail Csikszentmihalyi. It's a bit hard. This book is a very good book. This guy, Mihail, he was on a Nazi concentration camp, and he was amazed why some of the people who was on the camp was happier than other, and why some of the people on that environment, that is a very sad and not really good environment, why some of them live and some of them just didn't want to live. And also speaks about people that has been on jail for 10, 20 years on jail, and they are having fun, and they speak about the psychology of flow, living the now moment. Very good. Anthony Robbins, I'm gonna add, it's also good. Books. I like another book that I think is The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. It's a bit commercial. From Harvey, this guy, Harvey. What is the name of this guy? Harv Eker. It's not bad. This book is good. I like it. From Harv Eker. Yeah. Good book about having the mindset of money. Money is good, right? The good beliefs about money, very important. I'm gonna add, not directly from trading. Let me see. There are many books. There are many books. How many time do we have, admin? Guys, you can add some books here if you like. Let me check. I forget about this one. Any more book to add? Do you guys have anyone? Yeah, I like that one. I like that one. Yeah, this is good one by Steve Worth. Yeah, I know the guy. High Performance Trading. These are two books, right? Or not? Oh, no, it's the same. Okay, I like this guy. In reality, what he did is just pick from here, 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 and put it all on the same. He says already that, but I like it. This guy is good. I think he has a company, High Performance Global or something like that. Naked Forex Hybrid Trend Techniques for Trading with the Indicator, Alex Nekritin. It sounds familiar to me. I'm gonna add also, of course, the I don't know if I'm putting it right. This is the book about the life of Gis Livermore. I think it's by Hector Le. No, I'm not. Sorry, I'm not putting it good. Edwin Lefebvre. Yeah, true. Edwin. This is good book. Strategic Naked. I don't know those books, guys. Let me check one sec. Alex Nekritin. I mean, when there is a bestseller, some bestsellers, I run away from them. Alex Nekritin. Naked Forex. I didn't read it. It sounds familiar. Naked Forex. Sounds familiar to me. Okay, I'm not gonna add this one, alright, because I didn't read it. I don't know. This one, the strategic and tactical forex trading. Let me check. There is a lot of, blah blah. Wayne McDowell. It sounds familiar also. FX Bootcamp. Yeah. I forget this one. This is a very good one. Beat the Forex Dealer. This is a very good one by Agustin Silvani. This I recommend to you. The other one I don't know because I didn't read it, so I cannot add. But the guys, do you have those on the chat? So, Beat the Forex Dealer by Agustin Silvani. It's a very good book. Very good because he speaks about how brokers work, at least maybe more on the 90s, 2000. Now maybe it's changing. But okay, guys, I think it's time for some charts before we leave, right? Very fast, some charts because we have 5 minutes, admin, or how much? A very fast, quick view to the charts. These are books that I recommend to you. If you like this webinar, let me know because we can do more webinars about this kind of topic. You put the face to the voice, we put face to the voice, and we have some more relaxed session. All right, it's not always chart, money, trading. More relaxed. All right. So take care with your trades right now because, as I said, Greece thing. Okay, this is the dollar index. This is the dollar index. Study a winner and create your own trading journal. I mean, let me check. Joe, there are many books. I mean, I cannot put all of them. They are very good. I like this book, for example, Street Trading as Linda. How is the name? As for Raske, it's hard to write. Street Smarts, for example. This is a very good book. Street Smarts. All right, this girl, I love it. That is a good book. Also, this is this girl that is called. What is the name of this girl? She works with Mark Douglas. Also, it's a girl. What is the name? Let me look for this one. Now, guys, forget the charts. We're gonna only look at books. What is the author? Joe? You are telling that. It's a book. I am telling that we need to create. How to make $1 million in 1 week? A stellar appearance of Boyki. I'm gonna look for it. Oh, Nicola Darvas, I like that one. Joking. Yeah, I like the boxes of the Nicola Darvas style. Yeah, I like that. El Darvas, no, Nicolas. For stocks. Un man. This is good. How I made 2 millions in the stock market. Ah, there is another one more, a good one. It's called Zurich Axioms. This is a bit secret. Okay, it's not very mainstream. The Zurich Axioms, the rules of risk and reward used by generations of Swiss bankers. This is a good book, very good. I like it. Yeah, Ponzi, well, it's not bad. I mean, if you are starting in trading, it's not bad. What else? There are a couple of more. I mean, there are very good books on trading. I'm copying it on the chat. There is a good one. My memory today, I mean, what is the name? I like also this guy, the Bulkowski, the Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns. If you are doing, studying with the computer and all that, this is a good book also. Wayne M. No idea. Alexander Elder, I don't like too much, to be honest. I like the psychology part when he explains that he took a boat and go to USA and all of that. But Alexander Elder is not really one of my favorites. It's not bad, but it's not really one of my favorites. Not really. Okay, guys. So this is today. If you like this session, we can do another session different instead. This feels like school. Guys, we put some books here. The best capital is knowledge. That is something that you are not going to lose. Nobody. You got it on whenever you are. Now, in the future, here in Madrid, in Barcelona, or in Thailand. Tico, want a quick analysis? I'm sorry, guys, but we have to wrap up. I mean, dollar is up. Take care about this level. This is dollar index. Nothing clear. Pound yen, we have 500 pips sort of here, but really going down. Risk off, guys. Think about that. Risk off. Euro dollar. I'm more as long as we are above 110, it looks bullish to me. Dollar cat, we are long. This is a good long. Dollar cat. Dollar yen, we have a retest, some retest here. It failed. Now it's testing 128.15. This line. I'm not trading. I'm more light these days, taking some days off, but I'm holding dollar cat long. I'm holding this breakout from here. Gold is selling off. This is adding some strength, but mainly the pound weakness. This is the thing you want to pound weakness. Let me check euro pound very fast. That means I close in 1 minute. Euro pound. This can be a good trade for going long here because we have a failure, very interesting failure. Also, we have a good downtrend on Kiwi dollar. Here, we have a textbook channel here. But I mean, the key here was this breakout, really. The breakout we got here, and then the retest. This is a key thing. So Kiwi dollar short, it's a good trade. You want to be short, at least try to get a discount. I will wait for, I mean, a good expectation is Sunday gap on euro dollar, and then you buy or sell to close the gap. Okay? Like the two old weekends, the two past weekends we got. It's like that. Sunday Tokyo session, it's good to be awake. Go to Tokyo session, smaller size because it's gonna be more volatility. Guys, we need to wrap up. Really, it has been a pleasure for me to be here with you. Thank you, FX Street, for having me here, and thank you, everybody. If you have any doubts or whatever, send me an email to Carlos at Prop Traders, carlosv@rmbproptraders.com. Thank you, everybody. Really, it has been a pleasure for me. I hope you have a fantastic week, guys. Thank you, FX Street. Take care. Read good books, okay? Read good books. Thank you, everybody. It was a pleasure for me. Pan, Joe, Boyki, Sandy, Tico, Thea, Vista, Tipo, Carlos, everybody. It was a pleasure for me. Really, I wish you the best. Take care with the risk those days, okay?